1. What are enzymes? Answer. Proteins. Explanation. Enzymes are biological catalysts made mostly of proteins. They speed up chemical reactions in living organisms without being consumed. 2. Where are genes located? Answer. Chromosomes. Explanation. Genes are segments of DNA that carry hereditary information and are located on chromosomes inside the nucleus. 3. On which strand is the genetic code read? Answer. DNA strand. Explanation. Genetic information is stored in DNA and is read during transcription to produce RNA for protein synthesis. 4. Which sugar is present in RNA? Answer. Ribose. Explanation. RNA contains ribose sugar while DNA contains deoxyribose sugar. 5. Where does a competitive inhibitor bind? Answer. Active site. Explanation. Competitive inhibitors compete with the substrate and bind to the enzyme's active site, preventing the enzyme from working. 6. Where does cellular respiration mainly occur? Answer. Mitochondria. Explanation. Mitochondria are the energy-producing organelles where glucose is broken down to produce ATP. 7. Bacteria belong to which group? Answer. Prokaryotes. Explanation. Bacteria are prokaryotic organisms because they lack a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. 8. What is the control center of a eukaryotic cell? Answer. Nucleus. Explanation. The nucleus controls all cellular activities and contains genetic material, DNA. 9. What is the substance acted upon by an enzyme called? Answer. Substrate. Explanation. The substrate is the molecule on which an enzyme acts to produce a product. 10. A peptide bond joins which molecules? Answer. Amino acids. Explanation. Proteins are formed when amino acids are linked together through peptide bonds. 11. Yeast belongs to which biological group? Answer. Fungi. Explanation. Yeast is a unicellular fungus commonly used in fermentation processes. 12. What is the main function of the endoplasmic reticulum? Answer. Protein transport. Explanation. The rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in synthesis and transport of proteins within the cell. 13. Where does photosynthesis occur? Answer. Chloroplasts. Explanation. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, which captures sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose. 14. Where are sex-linked genes found? Answer. Sex chromosomes. Explanation. Genes located on the X or Y chromosomes are called sex-linked genes and are responsible for certain inherited traits. 15. In which molecule is hydrogen bonding the strongest? Answer. HF. Explanation. Hydrogen bonding is strongest when hydrogen is bonded to highly electronegative atoms such as fluorine, oxygen, or nitrogen. HF forms strong hydrogen bonds. 16. If the azimuthal quantum number L equals 3, which subshell is represented? Answer. F subshell. Explanation. Quantum number values correspond to subshells. L equals 0 to S, L equals 1 to P, L equals 2 to D, L equals 3 to F. 17. What is the maximum number of electrons in an F subshell? Answer: 14. Explanation: the maximum number of electrons in a subshell is calculated by the formula 2 times 2L plus 1. For L equals 3, the value becomes 14 electrons. 18. How many elements are present in the fifth period of the periodic table? Answer: 18 elements. Explanation: the fifth period of the periodic table starts from rubidium and ends at xenon, containing 18 elements. 19. Who wrote the pamphlet Now or Never? Answer: Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Explanation: in 1933, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali wrote the famous pamphlet Now or Never, in which he proposed the name Pakistan. 20. What is the meaning of the Urdu idiom Thok Hona? Answer: Alag ho jana or Mehroom hona. Explanation: the idiom Thok Hona means something being set aside or deprived. 21. What is the plural of jarida? Answer: jaraid. Explanation: jarida means magazine or journal. Its plural form in Urdu is jaraid. 22. How many components are there in tashbih simile? Answer: 4. Explanation: a simile in Urdu literature consists of 4 components: mushabba, mushabba bi, wajai shibha, adat